Hello and namaskar everyone. I hope you all are fine and well and studying well. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 4, that is pronouns. Dear kids, pronouns are the words which are used in place of noun, and we had already learned this chapter and practiced this chapter in our earlier classes also. In this class also we are going to practice more about pronouns. So dear kids, the learning objective of this chapter is, at the end of this lesson, you will be able to define a pronoun, identify pronoun in the given sentence, as well as you will also be able to rewrite sentence using suitable pronouns. So dear kids, let's get started with our explanation. So dear kids, I request you all to close your textbook and look here in this sheet. You need not have to write anything. आपको कुछ भी लिखना नहीं है, सिर्फ आपको समझना है कि pronouns क्या है. So dear kids, definition of pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun is known as pronoun. So what is pronoun, dear kids? A word that is used instead of a noun is known as pronoun. Now the note is, the pronoun always refers to a noun that has already been used or is known to reader or listener. इसका मतलब है कि pronoun हमेशा refer करता है noun से that has already been used or is known. इसका मतलब है जो already use है या known है reader और listeners, यानी जिसके भी लिए हम प्रोनाउन का यूज कर रहे हैं वो नाउन से ऑलरेडी नोन है. सो द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ इट आर आई, वी, मी, अस, यू, ही, शी, इट, दे, हर, हिम एंड देम. These are pronouns. Suppose I tell you a sentence that Mom made some sandwiches and she made it for my friends. So when second time I used she in place of mom, mom made some sandwiches and she made it for my friends. After end I has used she. So I had used she to the person, those who are known to the reader and the listener. पहले ही मैंने सेंटेंस में बोल दिया कि mom made some sandwiches and she made it for my friends. मैंने आपको फर्स्ट लाइन में ही बताया कि मॉम ने सैंडविचेस बनाए हैं और उन्होंने वो मेरे फ्रेंड्स के लिए बनाए. इंस्टेड ऑफ सेकेंड टाइम यूजिंग मॉम आई हैड यूज्ड शी. नाउ लेट्स सी. Sometimes while using a pronoun instead of a noun in a sentence, we may have to replace not only the noun but other words as well. कभी कभी हमें pronouns जब हम यूज करते हैं तो noun को तो चेंज करना ही पड़ता है, उसके साथ साथ हमें कुछ words को भी रिप्लेस करना पड़ता है. Like for example, meet Lara and Roy. Lara and Roy are my good friends. Instead of using Lara and Roy for the second time, I had used they. Yes, I had used pronoun they. So the sentence will become, meet Lara and Roy. They are my good friends. Instead of saying Lara and Roy again and again, I had used pronoun they. Now let's see in your textbook. Now you can open your textbook and open page number 58 and let's read these sentences and do the exercise portion. Now see, the first one is, Daisy is sitting in the park. Daisy is feeding the bird. As you can see in the picture, Daisy is sitting in the park and she is feeding the birds. Now let's see the next sentence. Let us go and talk to Daisy. Now we are going to talk to Daisy what Daisy is saying. We can write this sentence as Daisy is sitting in the park. She is feeding the bird. Let us go and talk to her. Instead of Daisy, here we had written she, and instead of she, that means instead of Daisy and she, as she is a girl, we had written her. Instead of saying again and again Daisy and she, we had replaced the word and we had written her. Let us read this sentence again. Daisy is sitting in the park. She is feeding the bird. Let us talk to her. Instead of Daisy, we had written her here. So we had replaced two things. We had replaced in second line Daisy and we had written she, and then again we had replaced Daisy and we had written her. Now let's see, the words she and her can be used in place of the noun. Daisy, she and her are pronoun. So dear kids, as you can see here, the word she and her can be used in place of noun Daisy. She and her are pronouns. So pronouns are the words that are used in place of nouns, so that the nouns are not repeated in the sentence. So what is the use of pronouns? And what is the definition of pronouns? Pronouns are the words that are used in place of noun, so that the noun are not repeated in the sentence. So let's see the next paragraph. Now let us look at the pronoun used for different people. Notice how a pronoun change if it is put after the doing words in a sentence. Let's see. Girl and woman. For girl and woman, we write she and her. She is my sister. I like her a lot. Boy and man. For boy and man, we use he and him. Our own self. For our own self, we use I and me. Persons or persons. Person or persons, we are speaking to. You are late. The teacher is waiting for you. For person or person we are speaking to, we use you. कोई भी पर्सन जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं उसके लिए हम you का यूज करते हैं. A group of people के लिए हम they and them का यूज करते हैं. Like Tim and Ann are singers. They sing very well. People love to hear them sing. Likewise. Alright, now let's see the next one. A group which include us. In a group that include us, जैसे कि अगर हम कोई ग्रुप में बैठे हैं और हमें वो ग्रुप को डिनोट करना है, तो हम कैसे डिनोट करेंगे? Either we denote it with we or either we denote it with us. David and I are friends. We are in the same school. Father drops us there every morning. So we had used we and us for a group which include us. Now let's see the next one. An animal or thing. I saw a green frog. It jumped into the pond. A big fish caught it. For animals or thing, we write it. What we write? It. So let us repeat this paragraph one more time. So dear kids, as we are revising it, I want you all to repeat it with me. For girl and woman, we use she or her. For girl or woman, we use she and her. For boy and man, we use he or him. For our own self, we use I, me. I at the starting and me at the end or at the middle of the sentence. Person or person we are speaking to, we use you. A group of people, we use they and them. A group which include us, we use we and us. An animal or thing, we use it for it. So dear kids, these all are pronouns. What are pronouns? She, her, he, him, I, me, you, they, them, we, us and it. These all are pronouns. The letters which have been written with the red color, these are pronouns. Now I will ask you, what do you mean by pronouns? So what you will reply? Pronouns are the words that are used in place of noun, so that the noun are not repeated in a sentence. Yes, pronouns are the words which we use instead of nouns, or we can say which we use in place of noun. As for example, she, her, he, him, I, me, you, we, they, them, us and it. So it's very easy. Now let's see the exercise portion of page number 59. Take out page number 59. Take out your pencil and eraser and let's get started with the exercise portion. So the first exercise is here. Underline the pronouns in these sentences. We have to underline the pronouns. The first one is, it is my parents' anniversary today. I bought flowers for them. Yes, you need to underline I and them. Now the next one is, Max is sitting in the car. Max is a boy. That's why they had used he. He is going to office. And we had underlined he, as he is a pronoun. Grandma gave some chocolates to Annie and me. As the sentence include myself. That means it include the person myself. So we had written me. Then she gave us some wafers too. So we will underline me, she and us. Here she denotes grandma. Why? Because grandma gave some chocolates to Annie and me, and she gave us some wafers too. So she refers to grandma. Now let's see the next one. My name is Rudy. I am 9 years old. We will underline I, as it is a pronoun. Then that is Alex's dog. For dog and things we use it. So they had also used it is very fond of me. So we will underline it, as it denotes the dog and me denotes Alex here. Now come to the last one. Minnie and Sony are going to the park. See dear kids, here is one correction. Minnie and Sony are going to the park. They are going to play. यहाँ पे जो नेक्स्ट सेकेंड वाला एंड है ना, इसको आपको कट करके आर लिखना है. क्या लिखना है? आर. ARE. Going to the park. They are going to play. So we had underlined they. Now let's see the second question. Question number 2. Choose the correct pronoun and fill in the blanks. We have to choose the correct pronouns, those who are given in the brackets. See, in brackets there are some pronouns. and after that we have to choose one of the suitable pronoun to fill in the blanks. So let's do it. The first one is, we are going to watch a movie and Dia is coming with us. Yes, why we had written us? Because here they are denoting we, and we मतलब it includes me. उसमें जो पर्सन बोल रहा है वो भी इंक्लूडेड है, इसलिए हम इंस्टेड ऑफ देम अस लिखेंगे. नाउ लेट्स सी द B1. These flowers are for Alice. Please pass them to her. Here Alice is a girl, so we had written her. We cannot say she, because she we write at the starting of the sentence or when we are repeating that word. But here we are not repeating, we are saying the position. That's why we had written her. Now C1 is, the milk has gone bad. The milk has gone bad. It is not fit for drinking now. Milk is a thing, so we had written it. Then Mary and John are in the library. Mary and John, they are two persons and they are in the library. So we had written they are reading story books. I hope that you all understand the concept of pronouns. Now give the date 26/6/20. Question number E, F and G are your homework. So note it down that which question is your homework. Question number E, tick and write it down, homework. Question number F, question number G. These questions are your homework. Page number 59, question number E, F and G. So dear kids, see you all tomorrow with happy faces and healthy faces. Bye. Take care and keep studying.